Right, thanks everybody. Just a little chat from me and Nick. They've just come off the back of some taster sessions over in Winsford. We've had Winsford Academy in today. Pretty exhausting. Year nines. Looking at the next generation of electricians coming through, and engineers actually today, coming through to the college in a few years. So we've had a really good day, haven't we?
Yeah, we've had some good numbers. We've had 20 in 2 groups today.
Yeah, 20 in 2 groups. So we've been, we've had hence the mess in here. It's not our electrical workshop around here, so we've had to improvise slightly just to get the kids engaged.
They've done a one-way lighting circuit, so it's all good.
Yeah, so we've had fun. So really, the reason for the conversation today and the video is to talk about our up-and-coming Level 1 competition, which we're really looking forward to. We want to do a few thank yous as well along the way, because we've got a lot of helpers coming down for the day to really make it great. And as well at the college we've got an apprenticeship week that week, so it all ties in really well. So yeah, do you want to tell us a bit about the competition, Nick?
Yeah, it's we were approached probably beginning of last year, weren't we, where we were asked to start looking at competitions, national as well as in-house competitions. So me and Dave got his heads together and we basically thought, well, let's see what we can do with the Level 1 group. So
yeah.
I think we've got 40 lads taking part on the day.
Yeah, roughly 40 lads, so we're teaming them up together, so they work in pairs.
That's from across the 2 campuses, both at Northwich and over in Warrington itself. So we're going to buzz them all over, and then we've got the day set up. It's going to be manic, but it's going to be good. We've got, like Dave says, we've got a lot of influential people within the industry coming in.
Yeah, so for example, we've got some judges coming down. We've invited people in to come and judge it, and you know who you are. So we really want to say thank you to you guys for taking time out of your busy schedules and
just
really
to give them a shout out. Me and Dave went down to Tresham College in Corby. You guys will probably know them better than us. Gaz Hayes from GSH Electrical. Know them better than us. Gaz Hayes from GSH Electrical. We met Gaz down there, and also Joe Robinson from Joe Robinson Training. Both fantastic lecturers in their own
guys,
right.
Weren't they? Really,
yeah,
really accommodating. They didn't know us.
They couldn't do enough for us.
Brilliant.
Good communication all the way, and while we were there, we bumped into Dave Watts.
Yeah, we did. That was an highlight, wasn't it? Yeah, it was really good. We got a picture with Dave.
I had to keep quiet.
Yeah, we didn't want to embarrass ourselves, did we? So that was really good, and so that we're looking forward to you guys coming down and the team from Tresham College. Also, Paul Meenan.
Yeah,
coming
from
down,
E5. Yeah,
E5.
You know the E5.
The philosophy of E5 is fantastic, raising the standards in the industry, and that's what we're about.
And I think that's why we asked Paul to come along, just to basically know that we're doing the right thing for the Level 1s and starting them off on that road to to a good career.
Yeah, if we can get in we feel like raising the standards in the industry really starts with us, don't we? And
yes, it does.
We can set that level of high expectations now at Level 1 and putting on these skill competitions, really keep them engaged with the vocation.
Yeah.
Then they should take that hopefully into their careers, and not only that, Paul's bringing down the representative from Nappit.
Nappit.
That'll be really good. So they're going to help judge the competition, and we'll pretty much leave it into their capable hands, and we maybe help them a little bit, and we'll come up with some judging criteria for them.
It does coincide with the apprenticeship week that we've got running at the same time, haven't we? So we've got a lot of employers being invited in to showcase. Not only are we showcasing the Level 1s at what they can do, we're actually showcasing them on a stage in front of potential employers.
Yeah, that's exactly right. So we have a big sort of relationship, or we have a big apprenticeship cohort at the college.
Yeah.
So we're inviting the employees in before they do their January intake in terms of getting their own staff for September. The September intake. So we're going to invite them down. They're going to look at our students that we've got, and then take them hopefully from September as an apprentice. A few of them will get some good jobs. It should really showcase their skills.
Yeah,
should be some good stuff out of it.
And on the day itself, we've also got away from the workshop. We've got Karen from IET coming
Yeah, that's
down.
right,
She's going to come down and hold some form of presentation
Yeah.
for potential employers to come in and register with the IET as well. So
and any apprentices or trainees that they can start putting them through the
we've
programme.
got the lads coming from the level 2 and 3 apprentices, so they can be signed up to the IET.
So we've also got you've been in contact with ACO, haven't you? You've been down to see their
ACO
training centre.
Limited down at Oswestry. Multi-million pound company. They've got they were based in Shannon in Ireland. They've got a place down in Oswestry. They've expanded so much they've now outgrown their headquarters down there, so they've now had a purpose-built building just in the process. That's going to be finished in September. And Steve Trafford from ACO has invited us down there. We can teach out of his facilities.
Fantastic facilities.
I took my level 1 group down there, and we spent the day down there, and Steve delivered a training package for us. The good thing about that is now he's bringing up, they've got a £250,000
the training bus.
the mobile training unit. They're going to bring that up on the day of the competition. So all our gas fitters and also our electricians who are there on the day can actually make use of the training mobile unit. So that's all good.
That'll be good. And Gaz put us in contact with Lee Brody from
Collingwood Lighting. Lee's another one. I've spoke to him via LinkedIn, and he's offered to come down for the day. Again, he's going to bring his mobile training unit down.
Brilliant,
with all the different lighting systems they've got in there, so that'll be good for the lads to go in and see the different lighting designs they can do, and maybe sway towards that going on to university and whatever.
I'm looking forward to all the freebies from ACO and Collingwood Lighting.
In fact, Lee has actually said he would donate loads of lighting
to me,
to us.
Right, okay, to the college.
To the college.
Right.
Yeah, he said he would donate some lighting systems to the college, so we can use them throughout the workshop. What that involves, I don't know until the day.
Right. We've also got the NIC coming down, haven't we? NICIC coming down to do a chat with some of the guys as well. So they'll do maybe a little presentation and chat. I know we've got Nappit down as well, but it's all good. And Mega coming, am I right?
Mega are coming down. We've spoke to Mega. They're going to come down because we use all their equipment anyway. So that they're going to pop down,
give us a bit of a demo.
Have a stand. They're going to get involved with the tests and what have you. So it's looking good so far. Considering we only started this seriously October. It's just snowballed.
It has.
And speaking to Gaz and Joe down at Tresham.
And I think that's a credit to the industry, isn't it? Everyone really wants to see the industry move forward, and I think everyone's coming together, like Gaz and Joe coming down, and Paul, and Nappit being involved, and then all the other companies. It's a real true credit to everybody, really, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
It shows that we can all work together to really make things good.
It is, and it's what the philosophy is at E5, isn't it? It's all about raising standards, and I think, like Gaz will tell you, and Joe will tell you, and other people within the training industry, that it starts with us.
I think it does, yeah. So I'll be looking forward to seeing everybody there. If anyone wants to get in touch with us, we are looking. We've had lots of, stock donated in terms of CK actually have donated us quite a bit of tools through the student grant. Phil Newman, who knows Paul, has donated us some tools as well. So thank you very much for all those donations. And if anyone can give anything to give something back to the students on the day, that'd be fantastic. Just please comment below and let us know. And
I think the buzz around the students as well has been good as well, hasn't it? They've all got on board. They could have shirked away from being on that stage. Yet when we were down at Tresham, we spoke to Gaz and Joe about holding a cross-college competition
maybe
as well,
that's the way it's going to go, I think.
So they've invited our students down to their college, and we've invited them bring their students to have an in-house competition through through both colleges, and then we're looking at other colleges around the area to do the same thing, aren't we?
Exactly.
So,
If we can get more people involved, we can make this thing a bit better.
so I think if this is a huge success, which there's no reason why it can't be, I think this is the start of something big.
Be good.
And it's all down to the guys who have accepted our invitations to come up for the day.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So thank you very much, and see everyone there on the day. And if anyone else can help in any way, please get in touch.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
See you soon.